Namaste. In the last class, we have studied word problems based on multiplication, isn't it? Yes, that is the last topic of the third chapter. Now we are going to discuss about fourth chapter, that is division. Already you know that the division is a repeated subtraction, isn't it? That one we will check with a problem. Okay. See the first question. Find the quotient using a repeated subtraction. First one is 30 divided by 6 and second one is 72 divided by 9. 30 divided by 6, that is the first question. 30 divided by 6, 30 is dividend, 6 is divisor. Now we subtract 6 from this dividend 30. Okay, see how many times we subtract until we get 0. See, 30 dividend 30 minus divisor 6 is equal to 30 minus 6 is 24. Then 24, this 24 minus 6 is equal to 24 minus 6 equal to 18. Then this 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Then this 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Then this 6 minus divisor 6 is equal to 0. How many times we subtract until we get 0? Okay, see. That is, how many times we subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We subtracted how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 times. Here. Now, what is the answer? 30 divided by 6 is equal to how many times we subtracted? 5 times we subtracted. So, the answer is 5. Okay, here 30 is dividend, 6 is divisor and 5 is quotient. Okay. Here next question is 72 divided by 9. Here also subtract 9 from the dividend. Repeat subtraction till 0. Repeat subtraction till 0. We subtract 9 from this dividend 72. Repeat subtraction till 0. Okay. Here dividend is 72, divisor is 9. First one, 72 minus this divisor 9 is equal to, what is the answer? 63. Yes. Then 63 minus 9 is equal to, what is the answer? 54. Then that answer 54 minus divisor 9 is equal to, what is the answer? 45. Then 45 minus 9 is equal to, what is the answer? 36. Then 36 minus 9 is equal to, what is the answer? 27. Then 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. Then 18 minus 9 is equal to, 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Again 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. How many times did we subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times we subtracted. So, subtracted how many times? 8 times. Subtracted 8 times. So 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 8 times subtracted, so the answer is 8. Here dividend is 72, divisor 9, quotient 8. Okay, this is the answer. Now we have studied how to divide a number using a repeated subtraction. Next we are going to discuss about division on a number line. Okay. Here, see the first problem. Here a dividend is 8, divisor is 4. Using number line, how to divide this number? Okay. Here dividend is 8, that is 8 is here. Divisor is 4, that is 4 steps backward. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Starting from here, 4 steps backward, that is here. Four steps backward. Again, how many times we jump until we get this 0? Okay, so again 4 steps backward. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2. How many times we jump? 2 times we jump backward. It means we jump backward 2 times. Moving 4 numbers at a time. Moving 4 numbers at a time. Because here the divisor is 4. First method, that is in first method, a repeated subtraction method, isn't it? See, 8 minus 4, dividend minus this divisor is equal to 4. Again, this 4 minus divisor 4, answer is 0. Here also 2 times subtraction, 1, 2. Answer is 2. See the second question. Find the quotient 20 divided by 5. See, 20 is dividend, 5 is divisor. Here, from 20, moving 5 numbers backwards. Moving 5 numbers at a time. Moving 5 numbers backward at a time. Okay, see, 5 numbers, that is starting from 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Divisor is 5. So, moving 5 numbers backwards. See, starting from 20, 15. Then, again 15 minus 5. Again 5 steps backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Again 5 steps backward. Here also again 5 steps backward, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Again 5 steps backwards. Here also again 5 steps backward. 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0. Here, how many steps backward? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps backwards, moving 5 numbers at a time because the divisor is 5. How many steps backward? 4 steps backward. So the answer is 4. Quotient is 4. Here, see the question. 18 jelly beans are shared equally amongst Rima and her 2 friends. How many jelly beans does each child get? What is the meaning of this question? How many jelly beans is shared among Rima and her 2 friends? How many? 18 jelly beans. Then, how many jelly beans does each child get? How many jelly beans does each child? One child get how many jelly beans? Here, how many children are here? How many? Rima is 1 and other 2. 1 plus 2, 3 children. So, these 18 jelly beans shared to 3 children. Shared to 3 children. That means 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to how many 3s are in 18? How many 3s? See the multiplication table of 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are in 18. 6 3s are 18. Then 18 minus 18, 0. Okay, so the answer, that is quotient, is 6. Quotient is 6. Here a dividend is 18, a divisor is 3, quotient is 6, a remainder is 0. See the next question. Jocelyn bakes, what is the meaning of bakes? Cook. Jocelyn bakes 32 cookies. She wants to put 4 cookies into each box. Then, how many boxes does she need? What's the meaning of this question? Yes, Jocelyn cooks 32 cookies. How many cookies? 32 cookies. She wants to put 4 cookies into each box. In one box, how many cookies? 4 cookies. Then, how many boxes does she need? Total 32 cookies. In one box, 4 cookies. That way, how many boxes she need to pack these 32 cookies? Okay. So, 32 divided by 4. See, 32 divided by 4 is equal to, here, 32 divided by 4. 32 has how many 4s? See, 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Here 32 minus 32, 0. So here the dividend is 32, divisor is 4, quotient is 8, remainder is 0. Here the answer is 8. In one box, she need 8 boxes to pack these 32 cookies. Each box 4 cookies. Okay. See the question. Mohit has 20 flowers. He wants to put them equally in 5 vases. Then how many flowers will be there in each vase? See, what's the meaning of this question? Mohit has 20 flowers. Mohit has how many flowers? 20 flowers. He wants to put them equally in 5 vases. He wants to put them how many vases? 5 vases. Then, how many flowers will be there in each vase? He wants to put 5 vases. In each vase, one vase, how many flowers? Okay, that we have to find. See, how to find? This 20 divided by 5. What is meant by vase? A container, a decorative container without handle. That is vase. Okay. See, 20 divided by 5, that is 20 divided by 5 is equal to, how many 5s are in 20? See, 5 4s are 20, isn't it? Or 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, what is the answer? 0 is the answer. So, here the dividend is 20, divisor 5, quotient 4, remainder 0. So, the answer is 4. In each vase, 4 flowers. Okay. Then, next topic is properties of division. Next topic is properties of division. See the properties. See, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The answer is the number itself. For example, 17 divided by 1, answer is 17. Okay. Then second property, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 12 divided by 12, answer is 1. Then third property is, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Then, we cannot divide a number by 0. We cannot divide a number by 0. Next heading is division without a remainder. Subheading, division without a regrouping. Question, in division without remainder, see the first question, 369 divided by 3. See, 369 divided by 3. Here dividend is 369, divisor is 3. First we take this 3 only. 3 has how many 3's? Only 1 3. 1 3 is 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Then we take next number in tens place. Next number, that is 6. 6 has how many 3's? 2 3's. 2 3's are 6. Then 6 minus 6, answer is 0. Then this 9 is here. 9 is here. 9 has how many 3's? 3 3's are 9. Then 9 minus 9, answer is 0. See, remainder is 0. We divide each number separately and no balance here. We divide each number completely divide. We can divide each number completely. So, no balance. So, without a regrouping and without a remainder. Remainder is 0. So, without remainder. Okay. So, here the dividend is, answer is 123. Dividend is 369. Divisor 3. Quotient 123. Then a remainder is 0. Okay. This is the division without regrouping and without a remainder. Today we studied division using a number line and repeated subtraction, then properties of a division, then division without remainder. Okay. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.